Okay, so with Bandit 18, we can see that we've been kicked out immediately after we entered our password for this level. And we can read the level goal over here and see that the password for the next level is stored in a file called readme, but someone has modified bash.rc to kick us out every time we log in via SSH. That's why we're seeing this bye-bye here, and we saw that from the previous level that we won't be able to get full SSH access. One thing that we can do to get around this a little bit is just append a command to our SSH command when we try to log in. Let's take a look at what we have here. So this is our SSH command, and we think a file called readme is in our home directory. Let's make sure that that's where we end up. So let's just append an ls-la to our SSH command and see if we can get signed in and if that'll return us a value. So let's paste in our command here, and sure enough, we see that first of all, we got kicked out right away. Again, we're just Kali instead of our Bandit 18 user, but we do see this README file here. So the next step would be just to simply cat this file out and see if this contains our password for the next level. And sure enough, there's our password for the next level. So with that, we can move on and copy this and move on to Bandit level 19. So thanks for watching. Also, if there's another way we can get a little more, do a little extra credit if you want to on this particular level, and that is to go in and you can cat that bash.rc, find this file, and you can probably find the line that is within that's kicking you out every time, and you can go in and remove that line if you want to, and then you can be able to sign in as well. So that's another alternative way to go in and solve this, and then from there you can just cat the README file. But this way is a little quicker, and it doesn't require editing that file. I think editing that might require using sed to get rid of the last line, but again, if you want some extra credit, you can go ahead and do that, and that's another interesting way to solve this. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks.